No physical term life insurance. Term life insurance is coverage that is available for a certain period of time or a term, hence the name. It's designed to provide a temporary coverage for 1 year all the way up to 40 years if you qualify. Most policies do require a complete medical exam, and it can take anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks to actually get approved and receive your policy. But nowadays, many carriers are offering a no physical term life insurance policy, and your coverage can often start within 24 to 72 hours. So much faster, and a lot of people are looking at these types of policies to get coverage. So if there's no exam, then most people want to know, how do I qualify for a no physical term life insurance policy? Well, you're not going to have to give any blood or urine like a traditional life insurance policy, but carriers will check your health in other ways. They're going to ask you to answer a set of health questions on the application. You'll have to disclose your height and your weight, as well as any medical problems that you might have had and any prescriptions that you currently take. Some companies even require a telephone interview where your answers to certain medical questions will be recorded and kept on file. So it's very important to be honest when you're applying for a no exam policy. You want to disclose everything, because if anything were to happen to you and you didn't disclose it, it's possible that your claim that your family makes can be denied. And keep in mind that a no physical term life insurance policy is really for those who are in general good health. So a few minor health issues, maybe blood pressure or cholesterol that's controlled with 1 or 2 medications, might be okay. But if you've had major health problems in the past, or if you're currently a diabetic, or you have heart disease or heart problems, then you really want to go look at a different type of policy, either a fully underwritten policy so that an insurance company can get a good idea of what your health situation is, or a guaranteed issue life insurance policy where you don't have to answer any health questions at all. So what you should know too is that no physical term life insurance does have a limit to how much you can qualify for. So if you need $1 million of term life insurance, then a no exam policy is not right for you, because the maximum that most companies will allow is $300,000, and even that depends on your age. So if you need more than that, go for a fully underwritten life insurance policy so you can get the proper amount that you need. Another thing you should know is that the rates on a no physical term life insurance policy are higher than if you were to go and get an exam, and this is because the insurance carrier knows that they are taking a higher risk by not completely evaluating your health. So they do charge a little bit more to offset that risk. Overall, if you want to get a policy faster than a traditional life insurance policy, and you need less than $300,000 worth of coverage, and your health is in pretty good condition, and you don't mind paying a little bit more for the rate, then a no physical term life insurance policy might be a good option for you. The first thing you should always do is to compare rates. So get a free quote online. You can go to quotesfortermlife.com or any other website that you choose. There's plenty of quote engines available for you to compare rates from several carriers. Rates can vary by as much as 70%, so it definitely pays to compare.